MSc first year, second semester, physics second, condensed and matter physics. Crystalline solids are characterized by long range order of atoms. The unit cell of a crystal is the smallest repeated unit cell of crystal lattice. तीसरा, the three-dimensional arrangement of the atom in a crystal is known as crystal lattice. चौथा, which of the following is not a type of crystal? Amorphous. पांचवा, the coordination number of an atom is a crystal referred to the number of atoms it is bonded to. छठवां, which of the following is characteristic property of crystalline solid? Anisotropy behavior. सातवां, the packing efficiency of a crystal lattice is referred to. C, the volume occupied by atom in crystal. आठवां, the Bravais lattice referred to. C, the translational symmetry of the crystal system. नौवां, which of the following crystal structure has the highest packing efficiency? B, face central cubic FCC. दसवां, which crystal structure has a coordination number of 12? C, face central cubic FCC. ग्यारहवां, crystalline solid can be classified into how many crystal systems? सातवां, C. बारहवां, the crystal structure of the diamond belongs to the crystal system cubic. तेरहवां, which crystal system has a coordination number of 8? A, simple cubic SC. चौदहवां, the arrangement of the atom in a crystalline solid is determined by chemical composition of the solid. B, crystal system of the solid. C, crystal structure of the solid. D, all of the above. 15वां, the lattice parameter refer to. A, the size of the unit cell in a crystal lattice. 16वां, which crystal structure has been lowest packing efficiency? C, simple cubic SC. 17वां, the crystal structure of graphite belongs to the crystal system. D, hexagonal. 18वां, the arrangement of the atom in a crystal lattice can be described by a Bravais lattice. 19वां, crystalline solid have a regular arrangement of in three-dimensional space. B, the crystal structure of sodium chloride NaCl belongs to which crystal system? Cubic. 21वां, the crystal structure of quartz belongs to which of the crystal system? Trigonal. 22वां, the coordination number of atom in a face central cubic FCC crystal structure is 8. C, 8. 23वां, which crystal structure has a coordination number of 6? B, body central cubic BCC. 24वां, the crystal structure of ICE belongs to which crystal system? D, hexagonal. 25वां, the crystal structure of a diamond is an example of C, crystal structure. 26वां, the arrangement of atom in a crystal lattice is determined by ionic radii of atom, size of unit cell. B, symmetry of crystal. D, all of the above. The crystal structure of sodium belongs to which crystal system? A, cubic. 28वां, which crystal structure has the highest symmetry? C, face central cubic FC. 19वां, the crystal structure of iron Fe at room temperature belongs to which crystal system? A, cubic. 30वां, the crystalline solid have a characteristic pattern in X-ray diffraction experiment. D, regular. D. 31वां, the unit cell are defined as the smallest repeated unit in a crystal lattice. 32वां, the unit cell determined to a symmetric of a crystal. B, symmetric. 23वां, the three-dimensional arrangement of unit cell is a crystal lattice is known as B, direct lattice. 34वां, the direct lattice is defined as A, arrangement of unit cell in a crystal lattice. 35वां, the direct lattice vector are parallel to the crystal axis. 36वां, the unit cell volume is equal to C, the product of length of the lattice vector. C. 37वां, the primitive unit cell is A, the simplest unit cell that fully define the crystal lattice. 38वां, which of the following is not a type of unit cell? C, amorphous. 39वां, the basis of a crystal refer to A, the arrangement of atom within a unit cell. 40वां, the primitive unit cell contains A, one lattice point. 41वां, which of the following is not a characteristic of unit cell? C, orientation. 42वां द लैटिस पैरामीटर ऑफ ए यूनिट सेल आर बी द लेंथ ऑफ द लैटिस वेक्टर 43वां विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू फॉर ए क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल ए ऑल साइड्स एंड एंगल्स आर इक्वल 44वां द यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए डायमंड स्ट्रक्चर क्रिस्टल इज ए क्यूबिक 45वां द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस इज रिलेटेड टू द डायरेक्ट लैटिस बाई बी टेकिंग द इनवर्स ऑफ द लैटिस वेक्टर 46वां द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर आर बी परपेंडिकुलर टू द क्रिस्टल एक्सिस 47वां द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस ऑफ ए सिंपल क्यूबिक डायरेक्ट लैटिस इज ए सिंपल क्यूबिक 48वां द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस ऑफ ए फेस सेंट्रल क्यूबिक एफसीसी डायरेक्ट लैटिस डी हेक्सागोनल 49 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस ऑफ ए बॉडी सेंट्रल क्यूबिक बीसीसी डायरेक्ट लैटिस बी बॉडी सेंट्रल क्यूबिक 50वां द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस ऑफ ए हेक्सागोनल डायरेक्ट लैटिस इज डी हेक्सागोनल 51 द नंबर ऑफ लैटिस पॉइंट इन द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस इज डिटरमाइंड बाई सी वॉल्यूम ऑफ द यूनिट सेल 52 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस इज यूजफुल इन स्टडिंग द ऑप्टिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए क्रिस्टल 53 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर आर डिनोटेड बाई HKL 54 द मिरर इंडिसेस आर यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द फेसेस 55 द मिरर इंडिसेस फॉर ए प्लेन परपेंडिकुलर टू x y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस 001 56 द मिरर इंडिसेस फॉर ए प्लेन पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस y एक्सिस एंड z एक्सिस आर 100 57 द मिरर इंडिसेस फॉर ए प्लेन इंक्लाइंड to the x axis, y axis and z axis d 111 58 the 111 plane is a crystal lattice has C highest symmetry 59 the saw plane is crystal lattice has B the lowest density of atom 60 the concept of a unit cell and direct lattice is fundamental to the study of crystallography 61 what are Miller indices used for identify crystal structure 62 the Miller index notation which of the following indicated a planar perpendicular to x axis 001 what does the Miller indices 110 represent a plane which intercept of one unit along the x axis 1 unit along the y axis and 0 unit along the z axis d 64 what are the Miller indices for a plane that intersect the x axis at 1/2 the y axis at 1/3 and the z axis at 1/4 c 3 1 2 65 which Miller indices represented the x axis a 100 66 which Miller indices represent y axis 010 67 which Miller indices represent the z axis c 001 68 what does a plane with Miller indices 010 represent b plane parallel to the y axis 69 what does a plane which Miller indices 001 represented c a plane parallel to the z axis 70 which of the following is true for a plane with Miller indices 111 a the plane intersect all three axes at the same point 71 how are the indices of a negative intercept on an axis represented in Miller indices b negative sign in placed after the index 72 which of the following Miller indices represented a plane that is parallel to the y axis and intersect x axis at 1/3 d 301 73 how is the intercept along an axis represented which it is infinite c question mark 74 what is the Miller indices for a plane that is parallel to the z axis a 001 75 which Miller indices represented a plane that intersect the x axis at 2 the y axis at 1/2 and the z axis at 1/3 c 2 1 3 76 what does a plane with Miller indices 100 represented a plane parallel to the x axis 77 which of the following is true for a plane with Miller indices 010 b the plane in parallel to y axis 78 what is the Miller index for a plane that is parallel to the x axis c 100 79 which Miller indices represented a plane that intersect the x axis at 1 and y axis at 1/2 and z axis at 1/3 d 3 1 2 See how are the indices of a plane that is parallel to an axis represented in Miller indices. A. The index for that axis is 0. 81. The in a crystal structure, what do the Miller indices of an axis represented? A. The direction of axis. 82. How are the Miller indices of a direction within a crystal structure denoted? A. As a set of three integrals enclosed in parentheses. 83. What does the Miller indices 1, 1, 1 represented for an axis? D. The direction of the axis is parallel to all three axes. 84. What are the Miller indices for an axis that intersect the x-axis at 1/2, the y-axis at 1/3, and the z-axis at 1/4? B. 1, 3, 2. 85. Which Miller indices represented an axis parallel to the y-axis? B. 0, 1, 0. 86. Which Miller indices represented an axis parallel to the z-axis? C. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 87. What does an axis with Miller indices show represented? A. An axis parallel to the x-axis. 88. What does an axis with Miller indices 0, 1, 0 represented? B. An axis parallel to y-axis. 89. Which Miller indices represented an axis that intercept the x-axis at 1/3? A. 1, 3, 0. 90. How are the intercept along the axis represented in Miller indices? C. As integrals separated by commas. 91. How many two-dimensional Bravais lattices are there? D. 2. 92. Which of the following is a two-dimensional Bravais lattice? C. Hexagonal. 96. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a two-dimensional square lattice? A. 1. 94. Which of the following is a characteristic of a primitive cubic lattice? A. Lattice point at the corner only. 95. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a three-dimensional body central cubic lattice? B. 2. 96. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a three-dimensional face central cubic lattice? C. 3. 97. Which are the following is a characteristic of face central cubic lattice? B. Lattice point at the corner and at the center of each face. 98. How many three-dimensional Bravais lattice are there? D. 8. 99. Which of the following is three-dimensional Bravais lattice? C. Tetragonal. So, how many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a three-dimensional simple cubic lattice? A. 1. 101. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a three-dimensional body central cubic lattice? D. 2. 102. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of three-dimensional face central cubic lattice? C. 3. 103. Which of the following is a characteristic of a body central cubic lattice? C. Lattice point at the corner and at the center of cube. 104. Which of the following is a characteristic of hexagonal lattice? C. Lattice point at the corner and at the center of hexagon. 105. Which of the following is a characteristic of a rhombohedral lattice? C. Lattice point at the corner and at the center of rhombus. 106. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a two-dimensional rectangular lattice? D. 4. 107. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a two-dimensional hexagonal lattice? C. 3. 108. Which of the following is a characteristic of a rectangular lattice? A. Lattice point at the corner only. 109. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell is a two-dimensional rhombus lattice? 2. 110. Which of the following characteristic of a hexagonal lattice? C. Lattice point at a corner and at the center of hexagon. 111. Which of the following is a characteristic of a rhombohedral lattice? C. Lattice point at the corner and at the center of rhombus. 112. How many lattice points are there in a primitive unit cell of a थ्री डायमेंशनल टेट्रागोनल लैटिस A1। 113 हाउ मेनी लैटिस पॉइंट आर देयर इन ए प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए थ्री डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल लैटिस C3। 114 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए टेट्रागोनल लैटिस ए लैटिस पॉइंट एट कॉर्नर ओनली। 115 हाउ मेनी लैटिस पॉइंट आर देयर इन ए प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए थ्री डायमेंशनल रोम्बस लैटिस B2। 116 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए टेट्रागोनल लैटिस B लैटिस पॉइंट एट कार्नल एंड एट द सेंटर ऑफ इच फेस। 117 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए रोम्बोहेड्रल लैटिस C लैटिस पॉइंट एट द कॉर्नर एंड एट द सेंटर ऑफ रोम्बस। 118 हाउ मेनी लैटिस पॉइंट आर देयर इन ए प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए टू डायमेंशनल रेक्टेंगुलर लैटिस D4। 119 हाउ मेनी लैटिस पॉइंट आर देयर इन ए प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए टू डायमेंशनल हेक्सागोनल लैटिस C3। 120 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर लैटिस ए लैटिस पॉइंट एट द कॉर्नर 1D। 121 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रक्चर हैज द हाईएस्ट पैकिंग इफिशियंसी D हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक। 122 हाउ मेनी एटम्स आर देयर इन ए यूनिट सेल ऑफ ए फेस सेंट्रल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर D4। 123 इन ए फेस सेंट्रल क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर ईच एटम इज इन कॉन्टैक्ट with how many neighboring atom C8। 124 what is the coordinate number of an atom is simple cubic structure B 6। 125 which of the following structure has the lowest packing efficiency A simple cubic। 126 in a face central cubic structure how many atoms are located at the corner of unit cell A1। 127 how many atoms are there in a unit cell of a hexagonal closed pack structure C3। 128 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a face central cubic structure C8। 129 in a hexagonal closed pack structure each atom is in contact with how many neighboring atom B 6। 130 which of the following structure has the highest coordinate number D body central cubic D। 131 how many atoms are there in a unit cell of a body central cubic structure B2। 132 in a body central cubic structure each atom is in contact with how many neighboring atom B 6। 133 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a hexagonal closed pack structure C 8। 134 how many atoms are located at the corner of a unit cell in a face central cubic structure D 8। 135 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a simple cubic structure A4। 136 in a hexagonal closed pack structure how many atoms are there in a single layer C3। 137 which of the following structure has lowest coordinate number A cubic simple cubic। 138 how many atoms are located at the corner of a unit cell in a hexagonal closed pack structure D8। 139 in a body central cubic structure how many atoms are located at the center of the unit cell A1। 140 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a body central cubic structure B1। 140 in a hexagonal closed pack structure each atom is in contact with how many neighboring atom B6। 142 how many atoms are there in a unit cell of a face central cubic structure D4। 143 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a simple cubic structure B6। 144 which of the following structure of the highest packing efficiency D hexagonal closed packed। 145 how many atoms are there in a unit cell of a hexagonal closed pack structure C3। 146 in a face central cubic structure each atom is in contact with how many neighboring atom C8। 147 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a body central cubic structure B6। 148 in a hexagonal closed pack structure how many atoms are located at the corner of the unit cell A1। 149 how many atoms are there in a unit cell of a face central cubic structure D4। 150 what is the coordinate number of an atom in a hexagonal closed pack structure C8। 151 Bragg's law describe the relation between a wavelength and diffraction angle। 152 Bragg's law is primarily used to the study the diffraction of X-ray, B electrons, C neutrons, D all of the above. D 153 Bragg's law is named after Sir Lawrence Bragg. 154 in a Bragg's law the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of a refraction. 155 Bragg's law is derived from the principle of interference. 156 the formula of Bragg's law mu is equal to 2d rho. 157 in a Bragg's law n represents diffraction order. 158 if the diffraction of n is Bragg's law is 1 that corresponds to the first order maximum. 159 in a Bragg's law d represents a distance between crystal planes. 160 the condition of constructive interference in Bragg's law is a 2d sin rho is equal to n mu. 161 which of the following is not required for the application of Bragg's law? D non-reflective surface. 162 Bragg's law can be used to determine atomic structure. B crystal lattice spacing. C interatomic distance. D all of the above. 163 in a Bragg's law if the incident angle is increased the diffraction angle will C remain the same. 164 which of the types of radiation is most commonly used in X-ray crystallography? D X-ray. 165 the maximum intensity of diffraction beams occur when the incident angle is 0. 166 Bragg's law is applicable to which of the following technique? A X-ray diffraction, B electron diffraction, C neutron diffraction, D all of the above. In a crystal lattice spacing increases, what will happen to the diffraction angle according to the Bragg's law? B it will decrease. 168 what is the primitive use of Bragg's law in a material science? D investigative crystal structure. 169 the angle of diffraction in Bragg's law dependent on the wavelength of the incident radiation. 170 in a Bragg's law if the diffraction angle is 0 what does it imply about the crystal lattice? C the crystal lattice is randomly oriented. 171 Bragg's law is based on the fundamental principle. D C diffraction. 172 the spacing between crystal plane in a Bragg's law is determined by C atomic arrangement. 173 which of the following factor does not affect the diffraction pattern according to Bragg's law? C temperature of the crystal. 174 in Bragg's law what happens when the incident angle is equal to the diffraction angle? A diffraction angle beam is maximally intense. 175 what happens if the incident angle in Bragg's law exceeds the crystal angle? A total internal reflection occurs. 176 Bragg's law is based on the principle of constructive interference between a incident and diffracted wave. 177 in Bragg's law the diffraction order is negative. It indicates B an absence of diffraction beam. 178 which of the following is not required meant of obtaining a well-defined diffraction pattern using Bragg's law? B D polycrystalline material. D 179 in Bragg's law if the incident angle is increased beyond the critical angle what happens to diffracted angle? C it remains the same. 180 Bragg's law is extensively used in which scientific field? A crystallography. 181 which of the following technique is commonly used for the experiment study of diffraction phenomena? D A X-ray crystallography, B electron microscopy, C neutron scattering, D all of the above. 182 diffraction refers to the phenomena of C interference of wave. Bragg's law. 183 Bragg's law is used to determine the spacing between crystal structure plane. 184 which type of radiation is commonly used in X-ray diffraction experiment? D X-ray radiation. 185 the diffraction pattern produced by a single slit exhibit B. A crystal, a center maximum and multiples minimum. 186. The double slit experiment demonstrate the phenomena of C. Diffraction. 187. The Debye-Scherrer method is commonly used for studying the atomic structure of material. 188. Which of the technique can be used to determine the crystallographic structure of proteins? C. X-ray crystallography. 189. The Louis methods of X-ray diffraction is based on a interference of X-ray crystal. 190. Which of the following diffraction technique is commonly used for the determine of crystal structure is nanoscale range? B. Electron diffraction. 191. The technique of Fourier transformation infrared FTIR spectrography is based on the principle of B. Interference of light wave. 192. Which diffraction technique is commonly used for analyzing the crystal structure of the thin film? C. Grazing incidence X-ray diffraction. GIXRD. 193. The technique of small angle neutron scattering SANS is primitive used for studying C. Nanoparticles and macromolecules. 194. The phenomena of interference is essential in which diffraction technique? A. X-ray crystallography. B. Electron diffraction. C. Neutrons scattering. D. All of the above. D. 195. The principle behind the technique of X-ray photoelectrons spectrography XPX is based on the photoelectric effect. 196. Which diffraction technique is used to investigate the magnetic properties of material? C. Neutrons diffraction. 197. Which types of diffraction technique is commonly used for the analysis of polycrystalline material? B. Powder X-ray diffraction. 198. Which technique is used to determine the crystallography orientation of sample surface? A. Electron backscatter diffraction. EBSD. 199. Which diffraction technique is commonly used to study the crystallography structure of material? C. Electron diffraction. 200. The technique of powder diffraction is used to determine the crystallography phase in a sample. 201. Which of the following technique can provide information about the molecular structure of a sample? A. Small angles of X-ray scattering SAXS. B. X-ray crystallography. C. Electron diffraction. D. All of the above. 202. Which of the diffraction technique is commonly used to analyze the crystal structure of the thin film? A. X-ray diffraction XRD. 203. Which diffraction technique is suitable for studying the lattice strain in a material? B. Electron diffraction. 204. Which diffraction technique is commonly used to study the crystal structure of geodesics? A. Neutron diffraction. 205. The technique of grazing incident X-ray diffraction GIXRD is primitively used for studying a thin film and surface. 206. Which diffraction technique is commonly used for the analysis of stirred the texture in material? A. X-ray diffraction XRD. 207. Which technique is based on the diffraction of electron in a crystal structure? C. Electron diffraction. 208. The technique of X-ray absorption spectrography XAS is based on the principle of C. Photoelectric effect. 209. Which diffraction technique is commonly used to study the crystalline structure of the ceramic? A. X-ray diffraction XRD. 210. The technique of small angle scattering SAS can provide information about B. particle size and shape. 211. The reciprocal lattice is a mathematical construction used to describe the C. diffraction pattern in a crystal lattice. 212. The reciprocal lattice is obtained by taking the reciprocal of the direct lattice vector. 213 the reciprocal lattice vector are used by C 2 by 2 d by 2 theta where d is the direct lattice vector. 214 the reciprocal lattice of a simple cubic lattice is a simple cubic lattice. 215 the reciprocal lattice of a face central cubic FCC lattice is a body central cubic lattice. 216 the reciprocal lattice of a body central cubic BCC lattice is a face central cubic lattice. 217 the reciprocal lattice of a hexagonal lattice is a hexagonal lattice. 218 the reciprocal lattice of two dimensional square lattice is a square lattice. 219 the reciprocal lattice of a two dimensional rectangular lattice is a rectangular lattice. 220 the reciprocal lattice of a two dimensional triangular lattice is a triangular lattice. 221 the reciprocal lattice vector are perpendicular to the edge of the direct lattice. 222 the length of the reciprocal lattice vector is inversely proportional to volume of the direct lattice vector. 223 the reciprocal lattice is used to describe the orientation of crystal plane in a reciprocal space. 224 the reciprocal lattice point correspond to the planes of the direct lattice. 225 the reciprocal lattice vector G is defined as G is equal to H B1 plus K B2 plus I star B3 where K H comma K comma L and L are C Miller indices. 226 the Miller indices of a plane is plane in the reciprocal lattice are inversely proportional to B area of the plane in the direct lattice. 227 the reciprocal lattice point correspond to the origin of the direct lattice is called G gamma point. 228 the first beryllium zone in a d volume of reciprocal lattice. 229 the first beryllium zone enclosed the a smallest volume of the reciprocal lattice. 230 the reciprocal lattice vector are also called G vector. 230 the reciprocal lattice is useful in understanding the b direction of wave vector in a crystal. 232 the reciprocal lattice vector are orthogonal to the b phased of direct lattice. 233 the reciprocal lattice is a complementary lattice of the direct lattice. 234 the reciprocal lattice vector are related to the direct lattice vector by the formula C G is equal to 2 theta बटा के A star. 235 the reciprocal lattice of a crystal is obtained by taking a inverse of the direct lattice. 237 the reciprocal lattice vector determine B crystallography planes of the crystal structure in a reciprocal space. 238 the reciprocal lattice of vector are defined in a terms of the direction of the direct lattice vector. 238 the reciprocal lattice is a geometric representation of direct lattice in reciprocal space. 239 the reciprocal lattice vector can be used to calculate the position of diffraction peak in a crystal. 240 the reciprocal lattice is a powerful tool in understanding the scattering of diffraction in a crystal. 241 the reciprocal lattice vector are used to describe the periodicity of crystal in the reciprocal space. 242 the reciprocal lattice vector are defined as the reciprocal of the direct lattice vector. 243 the reciprocal lattice vector corresponding to a direct lattice vector is denoted as B A star. 244 the length of the reciprocal lattice vector G is given by B G is equal to 2 theta बटा के mod of A. 245 the direction of a reciprocal lattice vector G is perpendicular to C direction of direct lattice vector A. 246 the reciprocal lattice vector of a direct lattice vector A is perpendicular to the plane with Miller indices D 1 1 1 1,1,1. The reciprocal lattice vector for a direct lattice vector A has a magnitude of A 1 by A. The reciprocal lattice vector for a direct lattice vector A is parallel to the plane with Miller indices D 1 1, 1, 1, 0. डी। 249 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर ए इज आल्सो नोन एज द सी क्रिस्टलोग्राफी वेक्टर। 250 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर फॉर ए डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर ए कैन बी obtained by the taking of the cross product of the direct lattice vector। दूसरे के अंदर रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर इज ए इज गिवन बाय जी सी 2 थीटा बटा के ए स्टार। 252 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर फॉर ए डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर ए हैज द सेम सी डायरेक्शन एज द डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर। 253 द रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस वेक्टर फॉर ए डायरेक्ट लैटिस वेक्टर A is denoted as G equal to H, K, L, where H, K, L are similar indices। 254 the reciprocal lattice vector G equal to H, K, L represented a plane in a reciprocal lattice that is parallel to the plane with similar indices H, K, L in direct lattice। 255 the reciprocal lattice vector G equal to H, K, L corresponding to a plane in a reciprocal lattice with a spacing of b 2 theta bata d in the direct lattice। 256 the reciprocal lattice vector G equal to H, K, L is perpendicular to the plane with similar indices b H, K, L in direct lattice। 257 the reciprocal lattice vector form a cubic lattice in reciprocal space। 258 the reciprocal lattice vector are used in b X-ray crystallography to determine the diffraction pattern from a crystal। 259 the reciprocal lattice vector helps determine the position of diffraction peak in a crystal। 260 the reciprocal lattice vector G equal to H, K, L represented a plane in the reciprocal lattice that is perpendicular to the direction of mirror indices d H square, K square, L square in the direction direct lattice। 261 the reciprocal lattice vector are used to describe the C orientation of a crystal plane in a reciprocal space। 262 the reciprocal lattice vector are obtained by taking the C cross product of a direct lattice vector। 263 the reciprocal lattice vector are related to the direct lattice vector by the formula G equal to 2 theta bata A star। 264 the reciprocal lattice vector are be perpendicular to the direct lattice vector। 265 the reciprocal lattice vector determine the a spacing of crystal plane in reciprocal space। 267 the reciprocal lattice vector help determine the position of diffraction peak in a crystal। 267 the reciprocal lattice vector are b perpendicular to the crystallography planes in a direct lattice। 268 the plane reciprocal lattice vector are used in b X-ray crystallography to analyze crystal structure। 269 the reciprocal lattice vector are also as a G vector। 270 the reciprocal lattice vector are essential in understanding the scattering of the patterns produced by crystal। 271 the beryllium zone in a concept used in the study of b crystal lattice। 272 the beryllium zone is named after C Leon Brilliance। 273 the beryllium zone is the smallest unit cell of the reciprocal lattice। 274 the beryllium zone is defined by C the reciprocal lattice vector। 275 the beryllium zone is a polyhedral shape in a reciprocal lattice। 276 the beryllium zone depends on C symmetry of the crystal lattice। 277 the beryllium zone is used to determine the allowed electron energy level in a crystal। 278 the beryllium zone of a simple cubic lattice is a b cube। 279 the beryllium zone of a face central cubic FCC lattice is a d hexagon। 280 the beryllium zone of a body central cubic BCC lattice is a c tetrahedrons। 281 the beryllium zone of a two-dimensional square lattice is b square। 282 the beryllium zone of two-dimensional hexagonal lattice is a c triangle। 283 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर डिस्क्राइब बी द चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एन एटम. 284 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर इज यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट ए इंटेंसिटी इन ए डिफ्रैक्शन एक्सपेरिमेंट. 285 डी द एटॉमिक फैक्टर डिपेंड्स ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ एन एटम. 286 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सिंबल बी एफ. 287 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर डिस्क्राइब ए डेंसिटी ऑफ एटम्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ए. 288 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर इज यूज टू कैलकुलेट आंसर सी यूनिट सेल वॉल्यूम क्रिस्टलोग्राफी. द एटॉमिक फैक्टर इज यूज डिटरमाइन सी electron density in a diffraction. The atomic factors depends on the C energy of scattering experiment. 292 the atomic factor is often represented as a F question HKL. 293 the atomic factor is a function of C both scattering angles and wavelengths. The atomic factor is important in determining the B crystallographic phase in crystallography. 295 the atomic factor is related to the A reflection intensity in a diffraction experiment. 296 the atomic factor of atom depends on B atomic number. 297 the atomic factor is used to calculate the C intensity of diffraction peak of crystallography. 298 the atomic factor is a measure of B charge density the atomic cloud. 299 the atomic factor is utilized in a calculation of D. पहला लैटिस पैरामीटर, बी यूनिट सेल वॉल्यूम, सी एटॉमिक फैक्टर, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. 300 द एटॉमिक फैक्टर इज इन्फ्लुएंस बाय द ए इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द एटम्स. यूनिट 2 301 पॉइंट्स डिफेक्ट इन ए क्रिस्टल्स आर आयोनाइज्ड डिविएशन फ्रॉम द आइडियल्स ए लैटिस स्ट्रक्चर. 302 point defect of classified into B 3 categories. 303 which of the following is not types of point defect? C grain boundary. 304 vacancy defect involve B missing atoms. 305 interstitial defect volume A extra atoms. 306 substitutional defect involves C impurity atom. 307 फ्रेजनल डिफेक्ट आर एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बी इंटरशियल डिफेक्ट. 308 स्कॉस्टी डिफेक्ट इन्वॉल्व्स बी मिसिंग एटम्स. 309 ह्यूम रोथी रूल्स आर यूज्ड टू प्रेडिक्ट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सी सब्स्टिट्यूशनल डिफेक्ट. 310 पॉइंट्स डिफेक्ट कैन बी अफेक्ट द डी. पहला ए मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, बी ऑप्टिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, सी इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. 311 पॉइंट डिफेक्ट इन द मेटल कैन बी लीड टू ए हैंड हार्डनिंग. 312 फ्रेजनल डिफेक्ट आर कॉमन इन ए आयोनिक क्रिस्टल. 313 स्कॉस्टी डिफेक्ट आर कॉमन इन ए आयोनिक क्रिस्टल. 314 पॉइंट डिफेक्ट आर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन ए मटेरियल साइंस. 315 द कॉन्सेंट्रल ऑफ पॉइंट डिफेक्ट इन ए क्रिस्टल कैन बी इंक्रीज्ड बाय ए इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर. 316 द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ पॉइंट डिफेक्ट इन ए क्रिस्टल कैन बी रिड्यूस बाय बी डिक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर. 317 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन स्कोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट? बी फ्रेजनल डिफेक्ट. 318 विच ऑफ द पॉइंट डिफेक्ट कंट्रीब्यूट टू इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी इन ए सेमीकंडक्टर? बी इंट्रिंसिकल डिफेक्ट. 319 विच टाइप ऑफ पॉइंट डिफेक्ट कैन रिजल्ट इन ए कलर सेंटर इन क्रिस्टल? सी substitutional defect. 320 point defect can be detected and characterized using techniques such as D. A. X-ray diffraction. B. Electron microscopy. C. Thermal analysis. D. All of the above. 321 which of the following point defect contribute to plastic deformation in crystal? D. Dislocation defect. 322 point defect can influence the D. A. Strength. B. Stiffness. C. Conductivity. A. All of the above of the crystal. 323 which type of point defect involve the displacement of an entire plane's atoms? D. Dislocation defect. 324 which type of point defect can leads to strain and stain in crystal? D. Dissociative defect. 325 point defect can act as a barrier in a crystal affecting the diffusion of atoms. 326 which type of point defect result from an atom being substituted by a diffraction element in a crystal lattice? C. Substitutional defect. 327 which type of point defect involve the introduction of foreign atom or impurities in the crystal lattice? B. Interstitial defect. 328 point defect can influence the B. Elastic modulation of a crystal lattice. 319 which type of point defect result from the removal from paper from its normal lattice position? A. Vacancy defect. D. The presence of point defect can affect the D. A. Electrical, optical, mechanical, all of these. D. 331 lines defect in a crystal are also known as C. Dislocation. 332 line defect occurred due C. Structural irregularities in a crystal lattice. 333 dislocation can be classified into main types. A. Age and skew dissociation. 334 age dissociation are characterized by B. Linear defect with the perpendicular displacement of a lattice plane. 335 screw dissociated are characterized by A. Linear defect with a parallel displacement of lattice plane. 336 which types of disclosion involves a spiral like mention of the crystal lattice? B. Screw dislocation. 337 dislocation can be affected D. A. Mechanical properties. B. Electrical conductivity. C. Optical property. D. All of the above. 338 planar stacking faults are defect that occur in B. Metals. 340 planar stacking faults are caused by a disruption in the C. Stacking sequence of crystal planes. 340 planar stacking faults can be result in B. Missing atoms in a crystal lattice. 340 planar stacking faults are characterized by a change in the C. spacing crystals. 342 which type of dislocation in a associated with a planar stacking faults? D. Stacking fault dislocation. 343 planar stacking faults can lead to B. Decreased strength in a mechanical properties of a material. 344 dislocation of planar stacking faults can be observed using techniques such as D. A. X-ray diffraction, electron microscopy, scattering microscopy. D. All of the above. 345 which types of dislocation involves a combination of edge and screw dislocation components. C. Mixed dislocation. 346 dislocation of planar stacking faults can act as a barrier for the motion of the atoms in a crystal. 347 which types of dislocation can be visualized as a step or line defect in a crystal lattice. A. Edge dislocation. 348 the Burgers vector is a measure of d magnitude of a dislocation. 347 which type of dislocation is associated with the shear stress on the crystal lattice. B. Stacking fault dislocation. 350 which type of a dislocation result from the movement of the atom along the specified crystallography planes. A. Edge dislocation. 351 which type of dislocation result from the movements of the atoms is spiral like motion around the dislocation lines. B. Skew dislocation. 352 dislocation can planar stacking faults can be influence the D. The properties of metal, mechanical, electrical, thermal, all of the above. 353 which types of dislocation can be result in slip or plastics deformation of a materials. C. Mixed dislocation. 351 which types of dislocation involves a combination of both edge and screw dislocation components. C. Mixed dislocation. 355 dislocation and planar stacking faults and importance in the D. A. Manufacturing. B. Mechanical testing. C. Materials characteristics of materials. D. 356 which type of dislocation can result in a formation of dislocation loops in a crystal. C. Mixed dislocation. 357 which types of dislocation is associated with a step like deformation in a crystal lattice. A. Edge dislocation. 358 planar stacking faults can lead to B. Decreased in electrical conductivity of material. 359 which type of dislocation can result in a formation of dislocation tangles of a network. C. Mixed dislocation. This the presence of dislocation of planar stacking fault can influence D. A. Optional. B. Thermal. C. Mechanical. All of the above. This dislocation plays a crucial role in B. Plastics deformation of crystal material. This plastic deformation occurs due to the C. Motion dislocation in a crystal lattice. 363 dislocation can move in response to C. Shear stress applied to a material. This is the moment of dislocation in a crystal lattice allowed for D. Plastics deformation without fracturing. 365 this location can multiply and interact with each other leading to a localized plastic deformation. The process of delocation, multiplication and interaction is known as C. Strand hardening. Dislocation provides D. channels for the movement of atoms during the plastic deformation. Dislocation can use caused a strain in a crystal lattice during plastic deformation. The movement of dislocation leads to rearrange for atoms in a crystal lattice. Dislocation in a crystal lattice can result in B. Weakening in the material mechanical properties. 371 which types of dislocation motion is associated with the glides of dislocation along the specific crystallographic planes? B. Screw dislocation. 372 dislocation can lead to a localized strain in a crystal lattice, reducing the material yield strength. Localized strain. 373 which types of dislocation motion is associated with the moment of dislocation perpendicular to the their line direction? D. Climbs dislocation. 374 dislocation can assist in the a nucleation of crystal during crystal growth. 350 during crystal growth dislocation can act as D. diffusion path for the addition of atoms to the crystal lattice. 377 dislocation can lead to the formation of B. grains boundaries. 377 the presence of dislocation is growth in crystal can result in B. line defect in a crystal lattice. 378 the arrangement of dislocation in a crystal can influence its a texture during crystal growth. 379 dislocation climbs allow dislocation to move B. perpendicular to their direction crystal lattice during crystal growth. 380 dislocation can add in the a annihilation of crystal defect during crystal growth. 381 which types of dislocation is primary envelope in the plastics deformation metals? C. mixed dislocation. 382 dislocation density refer to D. construction of dislocation within a crystal. D. deconstruction. 383 the presence of dislocation can a enhance the work handling behavior materials. 384 dislocation motion can be hindered by the presence of a point defect in the crystal lattice. 385 which types of dislocation can result in the formation of slip bands in a crystal during plastic deformation? C. mixed dislocation. 386 dislocation can lead to a distortion a crystallography planes in a crystal lattice. The density of dislocation in a material can be increased through a cold working. 388 dislocation can cause C. strain localization in a crystal lattice leading to the properties of cracks. Strain localized. 389 dislocation motion is a faculty by the presence of B. impurities in a crystal lattice. 390 the roles of dislocation in a crystal growth and plastic deformation is a significant importance in the understanding the a mechanical properties materials. 391 the observing of imperfection in a crystal typically performed using D. A optical electron microscopy. C. X-ray diffraction. all of the above. 392 which technique is commonly used to visualize dissociation in a crystal? B. transmission electrons microscopy. TEM. 393 which type of microscopy provides high resolution their dimensional imaging crystal defects? C. atomic force microscopy. AFM. 394 which technique can be reveal the presence of dislocation and grains boundary in a crystal? A. electron backscatter diffraction. EBSD. 395 the imperfection in a crystal can be observed as deviation from B. periodically in a crystallography pattern. 396 which technique is commonly used to study point defect in crystal? D. Position annihilation spectrography. 397 the presence of impurities in a crystal can be observed using B. energy dispersion X-ray spectrography EDS. 398 which technique in a commonly used to visualize stacking faults in a crystal? B. transmission electron microscopy TEM. 399 the observation of dislocation and other imperfection in crystal helps in understanding their B. mechanical properties. That's all. Which technique can provide information about the crystallography orientation of gain in polycrystalline materials? B. electrons black scatter diffraction EBSD. 401 imperfection in a crystal can include the points A point B lines planar all of the edge D. 402 which technique analyze the diffraction of X-ray to study crystal imperfection? C. X-ray diffraction. 403 the presence of dislocation in a crystal can leads B. weakening their material property. 404 the observation of imperfection in a crystal can help in understanding D. A. deformation B. fracture C. fatigues D. all of these D. 405 the presence of grain boundaries in a crystal can affect their D. A. mechanical C. B. electrical C. optical all of these. 406 which technique can provide information about the chemical composition of a crystal defect? B. energy dispersive X-ray spectrography EDS. 407 which types of microscopy can provide information about the surface topography of crystal? C. atomic force microscopy AFM. 405 the observation of dislocation network can indicate the A. occurrence of plastic deformation in a crystal. 409 which technique can provide information about the crystallography orientation of gains in a thin film and coating? C. X-ray diffraction. 410 the observation of imperfection in a crystal can aid in the C. control of lattice growth process. 411 which technique can provide information about the strain and strains distribution in a crystal? C. X-ray diffraction. X-ray diffraction. 412 the observation of dislocation can help understanding the A. activation of sleep system in crystal. 413 which technique can provide information about the crystal structure and lattice parameter of materials? C. X-ray diffraction. 414 the observation of dislocation in a crystal can aid in understanding the creep fatigue C. plastic deformation D. all of the above. 415 which technique can provide high resolution imaging of crystal defect at the atomic scale? B. transmission electron microscopy TEM. 416 imperfection in a crystal can include D. A. vacancies B. interstitial C. substitutional D. all of these. 417 the observation of stacking faults in a crystal can provide insight into their B. plastic behavior. 418 which technique can provide information about the electronics properties of crystal defect? D. Raman spectrography. 419 the observation of imperfection in a crystal can help in the development of D. A. stronger B. more durable C. higher performance D. all of the above. 420 which technique can provide information about the crystallography orientation of gain in bulk material? B. electron blockbuster diffraction EBSD. 421 एक्सरे क्रिस्टलोग्राफी इन प्रिमिटिव यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन द बी crystal structure of crystalline material. 422 which technique utilize the interaction of X-ray with a sample of obtain information about its structure. B X-ray diffraction. 423 the wavelength of X-ray used in X-ray diffraction experiment in typically its range of C angstroms. 424 electrons microscopy used a beam of B electrons a virtualize the microstructure of a sample. 425 which types of electron microscopy provide high resolution image of the sample surface. A scanning electrons microscopy SEM. 426 which electrons microscopy technique is used to study the internal structure of a sample high resolution. B transmission electron microscopy TEM. 427 the resolution of an electron microscopy is limited by a wavelength of electron beams. 428 scanning electron microscopy SEM used a beam of electron to scan the simple surface of generated an image. 429 which technique provide elemental composition information by analyzing the X-ray emitted from a sample. C X-ray fluorescence spectrography. 430 in X-ray diffraction the angles of diffraction X-ray is used to determine the crystal structure. 430 transmission electron microscopy TEM can achieve higher resolution than scanning electron microscopy SEM because it uses a narrower electron beam. B 432 which electrons microscopic technique is used to study the topography and electronic properties of a sample at the atomic scale. C scanning tunneling microscopy STM. 433 X-ray diffraction can provide information about the atomic arrangement in a crystal lattice. 434 the interaction of electrons with a sample in transmission electron microscopy TEM produce D transmitted. 435 scanning electron microscopy SEM can provide information about the D A surface micromorphology, chemical composition. C electrical conductivity. All of these. 436 which technique can provide information about the crystallography orientation of samples. C electron backscatter diffraction EBSD. 437 in X-ray diffraction the a wavelength of X-ray is used to determine the spacing between crystal planes. 438 which technique can provide information about the crystal defects and gains boundaries in a sample. C electron backscatter diffraction EBSD. 439 X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy XPS is used to study the surface composition of material. 440 in electron microscopy the objective lens is used to focus the electron beam onto samples. Objective lens. 441 scanning tunneling microscopy STM works based on the principle of D quantum tunneling between a sharp tips and a sample surface. 442 X-ray diffraction pattern are recorded as C intensity vs scattering angle curves. 443 which electron microscopy technique is most suitable for observing the internal structure of biological sample. B transmission electron microscopy TEM. 444 X-ray diffraction can provide information about the D orientation of crystal defect in sample. 445 electrons backscatter diffraction EBSD is commonly used to study D क्रिस्टलोग्राफी ओरिएंटेशन इन ए पॉली क्रिस्टलाइन मटेरियल। 446 एक्सरे डिफ्रैक्शन इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ बी एक्सरे स्कैटरिंग। 447 इन स्कैनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स माइक्रोस्कोपी SEM द ए ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस इज यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल द focus of and magnification of electron beam objective lens। 448 which technique can provide information about the atomic arrangement and chemical bonding in a sample। C X-ray photoelectron spectrography XPS। scanning electron microscopy SEM provide imaging of sample B 3D। 450 which technique can provide information about the local magnetic properties of a sample। C electrons paramagnetic resource EPR। complete। Om Namah Shivaya।